So Spirit said, during the energy of this full moon, co-creator, you may have dropped one or two things, but rest assured, ooh, come on now, you are being restored. And your angel numbers for today are 2525, compassion, appreciation, compassion, inspire. Practice gratitude, finding joy in the simple pleasures and expressing appreciation for life's blessings. Spread positivity and inspire others, making a difference in the world through acts of kindness and compassion. Come on now. Circumstances, positivity, circumstance, opportunity, solutions. Maintain a positive mindset regardless of circumstances. See challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Focus on the good aspects and find solutions to overcome the difficulties. You may have had to drop a few things, right? But Spirit says you are being restored. Ashe, 6666. When we first get into this game, we think 666, oh no, right? And then we learn that 6 is about love, 6 is about victory, 6 is about recognition. And as above, so below. It turns into a 9. And we understand that 9 is about fulfillment. It's about you going for the things that you want, about you almost being there, poised to receive. You are turning those 6s into 9s. You may have dropped some things because you were in the energy of 6. You learned some lessons. And now here comes fulfillment. And Spirit says, we are going to restore you. 8484, baby, best believe. Confidence, believe, inner power, positive steps, confidence. Always believe in your inner power. Take positive steps every day, such as exercising, reading, and learning new skills. These actions will help you build confidence and reach your full potential. You are being restored. 1212 was one of your angel numbers this week. And Spirit says, because you blessed. Because you are blessed. Every day. Even on the days that we quote unquote feel down, co-creators, we are blessed because we know there is no way else to go but up. With the chimes for confirmation. Bless, kindness, extend, spread, warm joy. Blessed are those who embrace kindness and extend it to others. Act with kindness towards everyone you encounter, whether it's a simple smile or a helping hand. By spreading kindness, you not only make others' lives better, but also fill your own heart with warmth and joy. And I heard you also fill your own cup, the number 9, with 6060 right behind. Spirit with the bars. You may have had to drop one or two things in this full moon energy, but co-creator, you are blessed. Be confident that your spiritual guides and teams have seen your circumstances and are extending compassion to you. So as above, so below, extend compassion to yourself. At 444, you are loved, you are supported. Namaste and Ase. Master, co-creators.